Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite sets as a kid. It is the 6879 Blizzard Baron for the Ice Planet 2002 line. And this was released in 1993. Quite a nice set. This was my largest set at the time before I started buying it all over again and completing this line. I still don't have the base, but yeah, that's no problem. I will get it. Once upon a time, I will. One day I will get it. So it has 82 pieces. It retailed back in the days for $8, and the price per piece is 9.8 cents. Yeah. So yeah, what do we have? We have loads of skis here on the bottom as well. We have another chainsaw, a mounted chainsaw. Now you can tell that these are old sets because if you try to take that off, one piece of the vehicle comes off as well. These days it's all secured with other bricks and such, so you won't have that anymore. Right, so what else do we have? We can detach, once again, like the previous set, the satellite dish, put it over here and just fly off again. Right. Let's get that in here. Yeah. Then, of course, we have here the figure. We've already seen this guy because there are only 3 figures in this entire line. It's hard to get a new one. So here he is again, the guy with the white hair, combed over. Yeah, that's basically it. We have some sleds over here, some skis over here, a display over there, another display over there. Some nice white corner slopes. Don't know what the name is for that, but that's pretty neat. A nice little control panel over there. Yeah, and there you have it. One awesome set that I really loved playing with when I was a child. Really takes me back. So, thank you all for watching, and see you guys next week when we go over another set of Ice Planet. Bye-bye.